You see, guys, every good thing needs work. Just as when you're preparing for an exam, to pass your exams, you read books. You read the topics that were discussed in class, and then you gain knowledge, and then you take an exam and you pass. So it's with everything in this world. A good marriage is based on the work put in during courtship. And before courtship, there's friendship. Friendship, courtship, marriage. For some people, courtship is based on relationships when they start to date each other. So also to attain a good relationship, work has to be put in. You need to be intentional in whatever it is you do to achieve success. My name is Andre, your relationship, marriage, and family counselor. You're welcome to season 2 of Speak with Dre. Season 2 is basically about singles. Just as you prepare for an exam, there are steps you need to take to have a better relationship, to have a communication bridge built between two people. Throughout this season, we'll be talking about love, navigating love, episode 1 of season 2. Now, there are 5 very important things that one needs to know while planning to get into a relationship or already in a relationship. First step is basically learning to enjoy your own company. Second, resist the urge to be jealous. Third, coping mechanisms for when you are in difficult, stressful situations. 4, communication, sincere communication. And 5, leaving your baggage at the door. So let's start with 1, enjoying your own company. You need to learn to enjoy being in your own company. It might seem counterproductive now that I'm saying it, but just listen to the intricacies of it. When you learn to enjoy your company, what that does for you is you discover your wants, your likes, your dislikes, the kind of person you are, your hobbies, what triggers you. That is the essence of enjoying your own company. That way you're not dependent on someone to give you happiness. If you go into a relationship without knowing yourself or enjoying your own company, you will definitely come off as needy, and nobody likes anyone who is needy in a relationship. 2, the jealous factor. Now, a lot of couples or people who are into relationships now have a trust issue, and this is caused through jealousy. Obviously, you've had relationships in the past that turned out a certain type of way that didn't go how you planned, but that is life. But being a better person, knowing yourself, and being a better person for your partner, you need to get rid of jealousy. For some people, it is going through their partner's phones, getting their passwords, checking their text messages. That is totally out of it. You need to trust whoever you are with. If you don't trust them, then there's no use being with them. Okay? Number 3, stressful situations. How to de-stress yourself from such. For a couple of people, it's taking a walk. For some, it's listening to music. For some, it's playing video games. For some, it's reading books. You need to find something that works for you, that is designed for you. No one shoes or one size fits all. No. For me, in certain situations, I play video games. And sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I go to the gym and I work out. You know, that is how I de-stress myself. Okay. 4, the baggage. You need to check your baggage at the door. If you are getting into a new relationship, you need to check your baggage. Yes, everybody has a past. Some people go with, no, I'm okay, I'm strong. Emotional baggage is a lot to handle. You might think you know, but at the end of the day, you keep making the same mistakes. So, guys, check your baggage at the door. Best I can tell you is see a therapist or see a counselor about it. But you need to find ways to leave your baggage out of it. And number 5, one of the most important things you need to know and do is to communicate sincerely. Sincere communication solves a lot of things. Being sincere about how you feel, how a situation rubs you off, your mindset when you hear certain things. Communication is key. Being able to communicate sincerely builds relationship, it builds trust between you and your partner. So, guys, if you want a better relationship, and I'm talking to you singles out there, singles just getting into a relationship or already in a relationship, learn to communicate sincerely and accurately. Tell your partner how you feel. And partners, don't be quick to judge or chastise your partner when they come to you sincerely about how they feel. Because what that does is they pull away from you, because when they tell you how they feel, you use that against them. And that is not a right way to communicate. So, guys, I hope with these 5 steps, you are able to navigate love in the right manner. Thank you for joining me on episode 1. Episode 2 is going to be amazing. Alright, guys? Do have a great time. I remain Andre, your relationship, marriage, and family counselor. Stay tuned.